let me just start something I've been wishing to start for a very long time right now. I've been telling myself this: you have to just kickstart and you're going to figure it out on the way. It does not have to be perfect with your first approach. I just have to start from somewhere. I'm so glad I'm doing this. So welcome to my very first video. Crochet for me is a really great found hobby, and I'm just so glad it's found me. It has taught me a lot of things. It has stretched me. It has taught me resilience and patience due to repetition of stitches, the counting, the mental stability of having to frog a project when you're almost done with it. The time, the effort, the skill developed over time, the trial and error, and just doing it. And then the joy of painting something beautiful just out of a hook and a yarn is just so magnificent. And I'm just so super glad that I'm doing this. What's the proper way of kickstarting a journey without a proper introduction? Hello, I'm Adedoyin by name. I'm a creative designer, I'm a crocheter. I've been crocheting for over 15 years. I started crocheting when I was in junior high school. In Nigeria, we call it the junior secondary school. I was in JS3 15 years ago, and I saw a friend of mine holding a hook. We don't call it that, we call it popularly known as knitting pin, which was not a knitting pin, but that was what we basically call it. She was holding a hand and she was making hair nets, and I was just so intrigued and I was just curious minded that okay, this I want to know it. So ever since that time, I told myself I was going to learn, and over time I developed my skill, and ever since then I never stopped creating. So I'm a self-taught crocheter, and I've learned so much on YouTube also, and I realized that what other way to give back to the community, because I've taught a lot of students during the course of years, and years after this turned into a business. Even midway it got so overwhelming, but I realized something: I never stopped creating. So that is why I opened this channel. In this channel I'm going to be teaching you step-by-step tutorial, and if you prefer written patterns, it's going to be available also. I'm going to just teach, and this is a creative corner where we basically create, explore, and create without limits. And definitely just have fun. Our potential is so vast. You can do far beyond what you think nor imagine. So what's stopping you? Let me ask you, what's stopping you? So just take your hook and let's start something. I'm starting this beginner friendly series. This series I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about crochet, the tools you need, how it's used, step-by-step tutorials, and just explaining explicitly what you need to understand about it. You don't need to know how to crochet, you don't have to figure it out. You just like the idea, you've heard the idea of just seeing people crochet and you want to make something beautiful for your loved ones or even for yourself, or you just like the idea of creating and just kickstarting something or adding it to your list of hobbies. You're in the right place. It's everything basically about crochet that you need to understand is going to be totally created for beginners. So each video is going to be numbered and it's going to be in a playlist. You don't need to rush, just take your time. We're just taking it one step at a time. So after this introduction, I'm going to be showing you the tools you need and explain what they are used for you to get ready for the next video. You get? Yeah. So without further ado, I'm going to explain to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.